Let's start from a place people rarely admit: you've been holding back. Not because you can't do more, but because your system makes you cautious. The LXZ Gaming PC exists for the moment you decide you're done pacing yourself for hardware. Before you read any further, check the current price and availability. Machines in this performance class don't sit still, and timing matters more than most people realize. This is for the kind of person who hates invisible ceilings. You want to run what you want, when you want, without mentally budgeting performance. Gaming, streaming, recording, multitasking, it shouldn't feel like a balancing act. You've outgrown setups that make you choose which task gets priority. The first real difference shows up when everything is running at once. You don't feel tension. Games stay smooth. Background processes stop announcing themselves. You're not closing apps just in case. The system feels unbothered, like it has room to spare even when you don't. Gaming feels decisive. Fast scenes stay sharp. Input feels immediate. You don't get that subtle delay that makes you second-guess reactions. VR feels grounded because nothing breaks immersion. The experience feels intentional instead of barely contained. But the bigger shift happens outside the obvious moments. You start launching heavy tasks without thinking. You stream without checking system meters. You stop planning around limits because the limits stop showing up. That mental freedom changes how you use the machine every single day. Take a moment here and recheck stock. Builds that combine power and stability this way tend to move once people realize how much friction they've been tolerating. You might think this is about raw strength. It's not. It's about permission. Permission to push without consequences. Permission to stay in flow without interruptions. Once you experience that, weaker systems start feeling fragile, even if they look capable on paper. Here's the unexpected benefit: confidence compounds. You play longer. You work deeper. You experiment more because you're no longer afraid of slowing everything down. Owning it feels deliberate. Like choosing a system built for people who refuse to negotiate with performance. Every time you consider a lesser build, it feels like choosing stress you already escaped. Performance stays stable under heavy load. Gaming feels responsive and controlled. Multitasking feels fearless. Streaming stays smooth and reliable. Sessions feel uninterrupted and focused. It isn't designed for minimum noise under full pressure, and it isn't a compact build. That's the trade. Eventually, comparison becomes unnecessary. You realize you weren't looking for the fastest system, you were looking for one that wouldn't ask you to hold back. Check the price, trust the instinct that brought you here, and don't let this become one of those upgrades you delay while your current setup quietly limits you.